Hello, I'm Leo Wang, and welcome to our market breakdown. We're witnessing a fascinating dynamic in the markets right now, with major indices like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq closing at record highs, yet a palpable sense of caution hangs in the air. The optimism seems fueled by strong corporate performance in some areas and positive sentiment surrounding international trade. However, the coming week is shaping up to be pivotal, potentially setting the market's direction for the rest of the summer. All eyes will be on a confluence of high-impact events. First, we have a crucial Federal Reserve meeting where any statements on monetary policy or interest rates will be scrutinized by investors. Second, the release of the non-farm payrolls report will provide a key indicator of the economy's health. And third, a wave of earnings reports from big tech titans, including Apple, Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft, will test the sector's strength. Adding to the tension are high-stakes geopolitical developments. A critical meeting is scheduled for this weekend between US and European leaders in Scotland to discuss transatlantic trade relations. With a tariff deadline looming, the outcome of these talks could significantly sway market sentiment. Current analysis suggests there's a 50-50 chance of a trade agreement being reached with the European Union. Looking at individual companies, we see some dramatic and divergent stories. The data analytics firm Palantir has seen its stock more than double this year, catapulting it into the list of the 20 most valuable U.S. companies, largely on the back of its booming AI business and government contracts. In contrast, Tesla's CEO has projected a potential future valuation of $20 trillion, a bold statement coming just after a post-earnings stock sell-off. This vision hinges on what is being called extreme execution in the years to come. Meanwhile, the semiconductor giant Intel presents a more complex picture. Despite topping revenue expectations, the company announced it is cutting 15% of its workforce and scaling back factory construction, leading to a lukewarm reception from analysts and a drop in its stock price. On a brighter note, AutoNation saw its shares rise after reporting earnings and revenue that beat expectations. In summary, while the market is celebrating record highs, this bullish sentiment is fragile. The next few days are critical. The outcome of the trade negotiations, the Federal Reserve's guidance, and the performance of big tech will be the primary factors determining where the market heads next.